Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate video in Premiere Pro. Duplicating clips is a fundamental skill that saves you valuable editing time. We'll cover two main approaches, the classic copy and paste and the efficient Alt or Option key drag method. Both allow you to create exact copies of your media, whether it's a single video clip, an audio track, or an entire sequence. Mastering these techniques will significantly streamline your workflow and boost your productivity in any project. The first method is the familiar copy and paste. Simply select the clip or sequence you wish to duplicate, either in your timeline or the project panel. Then, press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac to copy it. Move your playhead to where you want the duplicate or click in the project panel and press Ctrl and V or Command and V to paste. This creates an independent copy, ready for further editing. For quick timeline duplication, the Alt or Option drag method is incredibly efficient. Select your clip on the timeline. While holding down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac, click and drag the clip to its new desired position. As you drag, you'll see a duplicate appear. Release your mouse button first, then the Alt or Option key. This method is perfect for rapidly creating multiple instances side by side or on different tracks. When working with assets in your project panel, you can also duplicate clips or entire sequences. Simply select the item you wish to copy. Then, right-click on it and choose the Duplicate option from the context menu. This creates a completely separate version of your asset, allowing you to make changes to the duplicate without affecting the original. Remember to rename your new copy for better organization within your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.